to my channel. In today's video we will focus on this.
To make this E63 full Euro spec, we will start to transform the cluster from miles per hour to kilometers per hour. And first we remove the outer trim, and then we remove all these screws around the cluster. And then you just pry it out carefully and detach the cable in the rear. And here it is removed from the car, and this is the kilometer replacement dial we're using instead of the old miles per hour one. And now you just take it apart into these three pieces. And to remove the speedo needle in the front, you loosen up these 4 screws in the back. Now carefully take off this ring, and when you've done that you peel off this old dial and replace it with a new one. And here we are with it all done. Now you just install everything in reverse order. And here it is, back in the car with full Euro spec features. And that's it for this short Euro spec video tutorial, and I hope you liked it. Hit that subscribe so you don't miss out on the rest of the Euro spec information videos for this E63. See ya!